not too far from my house, there's a place called Times Square where you have 300-foot billboards filled with models to date and places to visit and food to eat and things to drink and mountains to climb and vacations, and every one of these advertisements is saying the same thing. Your happiness is out here. I want to buy a huge billboard in the middle of Times Square and have it say, you already have everything you need. That would be the truth. I had to travel to 40 countries before I realized as much as we try, we actually can't change the world. All we can do is change ourselves. Becoming a global citizen is not about traveling the world, it's about reaching our potential.
We can't serve people unless we're present. When we're integrated and when we're happy, then we can really make a difference in the lives of others.
Our society teaches us from a very early age that we are not enough, and we need more in order to be happy. And that's simply not true. Happiness doesn't come from getting what we want. Happiness doesn't come from success. Success comes from happiness. Happiness has to be the starting point.
I'm gonna cry because I was completely inspired.
He was so genuine. His message was terrific because it came from the heart.
Crystal was fantastic. She engaged the entire crowd.
We can't impact an organization as a whole unless we impact people individually, and that starts with ourselves.
The number one key to productivity is compassion. Look for that place of connection and see the other person sitting across from you as a human being.
Can you dig it?
All right, that's what we need here today. We have to step outside of our comfort zone.
Can you dig it?
It takes each of us to flourish individually for our organization to flourish as a whole.
Once we find that connection point, then naturally we want to serve them. And from there, of course, we're going to be more productive. Of course, we're going to be inspired. It all begins with that moment-to-moment human connection.
Becoming a global citizen means using our lives and our work as a vehicle to grow and reach our potential. Can you dig it?